At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, as a realtor is a common practice to protect your personal assets and limit your liability. Here's a general guide on how to set up an LLC for a realtor. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC. Make sure to check if the name is available in your state's business records. 2. File articles of organization. You'll need to file articles of organization, sometimes called a certificate of formation, with the Secretary of State or similar agency in the state where you want to form your LLC. This typically includes information such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent, and the purpose of the business. 3. Designate a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, voting rights, and other important aspects of the business. It's also useful for resolving disputes among members. 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. As a realtor, you'll likely need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally in your state or locality. Make sure to research and fulfill all requirements. 6. Get an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique identifier issued by the IRS for your business. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and other official purposes. 7. Open a business bank account. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is crucial for maintaining the limited liability protection offered by an LLC. Open a separate bank account for your LLC to manage business finances. 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. LLCs have ongoing compliance requirements, such as filing annual reports and paying state fees. Make sure to stay up to date with these obligations to keep your LLC in good standing. 9. Consult with professionals. Consider consulting with a lawyer and an accountant who have experience working with real estate professionals and LLC formation. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances and help ensure you're setting up your LLC correctly. 10. Insurance considerations. While an LLC provides limited liability protection, it's also wise to have appropriate insurance coverage for your real estate business. This may include professional liability insurance, errors and omissions insurance, general liability insurance, and property insurance. Remember that the specific requirements for forming an LLC can vary by state, so it's important to research the regulations in your particular jurisdiction and consider seeking professional assistance to ensure compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.